Today's math message is on slide 2 if you're doing it online. Um, it says, Joanna packs 12 bottles of juice in 2 cartons. How could she pack the bottles so each carton has an equal number of bottles with none left over? Show your thinking, use pictures or arrays, then write a number model for each of your representations. Okay, so let's think about this. We have 16 bottles of juice, and we have to pack them into a box in equal numbers. Like we can't have 7 in one row and 3 in another. They have to be like packed, like you know how we do arrays where there's equal numbers. So let's think how we could do this. I'm going to go ahead and get my pen ready. I'm going to do arrays. So I'm going to make, let's see, I'm thinking 16. I know that what two numbers equal 16? You think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, what two numbers could I multiply together to get 16? I know 2 times what is 16? Can you think about it? What is 2 times what is 16? Count by twos how many times till you get to 16. Have you figured it out yet? I'm drawing 8 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So I could pack those bottles. Here's my box. Let's pretend I put them in a box. Here's my box, and I've packed an equal amount, and they equal 16. Now let's think if there's another way. Can you think of another other numbers that multiply together equals 16? Well, think about it. They have to be equal. So as I'm thinking, those of you that know your multiplication facts, you should be able to think of this pretty quickly. Two numbers that you're multiplying together to equal 16. Well, I hope some of you have figured it out. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops, I'm not quite there yet. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. If I add 4 times, I would get 16. So if I had another box, this is another way I could box up those bottles of juice. And then if I had a really long box, I could put, let's see, 16 in one box. That would be a really, really long box though. It's going to take me a while here to get 16 X's written in here. I'm getting there. Remember, if you're listening to this when I'm done, you need to go and do this on your slides if you're home. I'm showing you how to do it, and then you can do it on your slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I need 3 more. Okay, Wow, that would be a really long box, but they're equal. It's one whole row. So 1 times 16 is also 16. Now, all of these numbers that we just mentioned, 8 and 2 and 4 and 1, well, 1 and 16, these are what we call factors of 16. In other words, you can multiply these numbers and get 16. So they're factors. These are factors of 16. That was what we're talking about today. Factors, finding factors. Okay?